Hi everyone, I so appreciate you stopping by to see what I am up to. This plain box that I received, and much to my surprise, and you can tell from the title, show you the box real fast. I have my box finally from Ipsy, and this is not, obviously their fault in any way, shape, or form. I'm just going to get rid of the box for you. We'll love that. So right here, and this is, and I did open this just to verify, this is my May PR box finally. It was shipped mid-April, got stuck in Avenel, New Jersey, and sitting there. I even tried contacting them, like, what the heck? And they're like, well, we never received it. I'm like, well, yeah, you did, because it says it's in your post office. So, I'm not arguing with them. It's ridiculous. So they had said they would send me another one, which they did. So you can see that this is the May box. I still wanted to share this with you because everything in here I'm going to put in my giveaway box, which is behind you, so that I can try to keep it relatively close. So if I say something's going in there, I keep it off to the side and put it directly in there. But I'm going to include everything that's in here in my giveaway box. So obviously this is Flower Power for May, and it does say the Ipsy Open Studios. So the card is, blank and all that, just gives us some direction. But, I am grateful that they did this. They didn't have to send me another one. So I have the bag, and then I have some products here. So I have this. So let's do the glam bag first, and I'll include the glam bag. And I think I have my glam bag, or 2 or 3 of them. So let's just see what's in here. And like I said, everything will go into the giveaway box unless there's something in here that I absolutely have to have, which I doubt. From Gold Fatten MD, we have the Gentle Detoxifying Face Cleanser. Good size, and that is pretty full. So that will go in the giveaway. Ooh, maybe this one, because I wanted to try this, but I don't know if I want to try this one. This is from Olaplex. This is number 3. Repairs and strengthens all hair types. Ooh, I was talking to my hairdresser. I think I want to do I think it's number 8. We both, my hairdresser and myself, both want to try the number 8. I think that just came out. So this, I'm not sure. I think you put this on when you're drying your hair, if I'm not mistaken. So I might share that. You never know. And then here from... Ooh, Black on Black Anastasia, we have the lip product, which I will share because I have one. So there that is. So this one will go in the giveaway. I don't need all this. Let's see. Oh, from Avant, Pro Collagen Primer, Touche Cloth Primer Pro Perfector. This is really nice. I think I have one of these. I didn't get it in Ipsy. Did I get it somewhere else? I might have gotten one of these. I'm not sure, but I'll share that. And then this I definitely, ooh, I don't know. We'll see what I share. Am I changing my mind when I look at stuff? I might keep this. I think I'll share those 4 plus the bag. So this is from Tarte, and this is their Maracuja Juicy Lip. And this is in Rose. That's a perfect shade for me. And we'll see. I'm going to keep this. Oh, this is so nice. Look at the packaging. How does this come off? I'm not sure. So there's the product right there. It does have a cap on it. I'm not going to pull that off, just in case I decide to share it. That's really nice. I might keep that one, just because I love lip products. But the bag and these 4 definitely are going in the giveaway. So then we have the Ipsy Plus. Here's the bag, so I'll share the bag also. We have a Complex Culture brush, and this is Easy Crease Definer. So here's the brush. I don't know if that'll focus on there. I will open it from the bottom because it is sealed at the top. I will show you the brush. I definitely have one of these, so I will keep everything intact, and I'll put that in my giveaway box. Oh, this is nice. Milk Makeup. This is their Kush mascara. This is a big box, big tube. I'm not going to open this because I have samples of this. So this will go in the giveaway box. I'll put it all right in the bag. Hey Honey, Open Your Eyes Lifting Eye Serum. Oh, that's nice. I'll share this too. I have so many serums and all that I do not need to be keeping all this stuff. So this is a nice size. Pretty full to the top, like it's all the way up to here. Great thing about bright lights behind you, I can see the fullness of product. So that's another good product. I wish I would have gotten this on time. This would have been nice. Probiotic moisturizing sunscreen. So this is zinc oxide broad spectrum SPF 32. Probiotic. Is this a lip? So this is the packaging. Let's see what this looks like. I don't know if this is a lip sunscreen or if this is like an all-over sunscreen. It's probably an all-over sunscreen, but there we go. I'll share that. I don't like sunscreen. I stay out of the sun. But, I mean, if I have to wear it, I wear it. But, like I said, I try to stay out of the sun. From Fenty Beauty by Rihanna, we have an eye pencil. Right here. Do I have a shade? Because I'm black. This is just your typical eye pencil. Let's see if we can open this without destroying the package. I will share this. I don't use black. Maybe somebody else will. Oh, that's pretty. Look at that packaging. Nice. But I'm not going to open it to let air get to it and all that good stuff. So I will share in my giveaway box the Fenty eyeliner, the Milk Makeup Mascara, the Friendship, right? No, Kinship. Why did I say Friendship? Kinship sunscreen, the Hey Honey serum, the Complex Culture brush, those plus the bag. And then we have the 4 products in the Ipsy Glam bag. I probably will keep this just because I love Tarte and I had never tried this. So I'll keep one out of the items. Everything else will go directly into my giveaway box. Like I said, a big thank you to Ipsy for resending this out to make sure that I did get it. I did promise them I would still show it. It's not their fault. It's not my fault. It's not your fault. So this is the May box for PR. And I'm happy, like I said, that they did get it to me and at least I have it. So I did get April, May, and June. And July should be coming relatively shortly for the spoilers. So at least you guys will get to experience some of these products because they will be in my July giveaway. Mr. Giveaway boxes. Everything I keep in my box, I'll divvy up and add to it if I need to, and they'll be my giveaways. So I hope you all enjoyed this video. Leave me a comment down below what you think of these products. Are you happy that I'm putting all these in the giveaway box? And I hope everyone enjoys your day. And I'll see all of you in my next video. Bye-bye now.